Meaning of dew.
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 Dew. Dew refers to tiny drops of water that form on surfaces such as grass, leaves and other objects during the night or early morning. This is caused by condensation of water vapor in the air that comes into contact with these cooler surfaces. Dew can have various effects on plants and the environment. It can provide essential moisture to crops and vegetation, which can help them grow and survive in dry conditions. However, excessive dew can be harmful by promoting the growth of fungi and other diseases that can damage plants.